I feel like it stop a cartel. I feel like it stop a cartel when Jamaica I really appreciate talent. Because right now, you know, Massacre should have been a bigger artist than what he is right now, if we are talking about talent. Massacre is an artist of substance, but Massacre is not one of the biggest artists in Jamaica at the moment. Yes. So what I don't know, One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to the YouTube family, ladies and gentlemen. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah, man. Someone want to see the title. You understand what I say? And I mean, you think Jamaica respect talent to a degree, of course, but we say more people who don't have talent get a bus quicker than the people that actually have the talent. You understand what I say? That is why we say all of these Rose and Candy Wow and the mackerels and the bully beef, and now we have right here Casino. You understand what I say? The one I say, a casino. You understand what I say? The brother did dark. The man melanin turn up. And he was an artist before the dog make gospel song. The dog was pretty talented before him start the bleaching and before him take on a new persona. You understand what I say? So we see Casino right now. Him call himself the Jamaican Superman. We see him do a whole heap of things and make some good music and all these things. As I said, the artist him used to sing gospel song before. Him try out for digital rising star and never reach nowhere. So the dog never give up on him dreams. He must say music same way, music same way. So the dog see what Jamaica like and him use it to him advantage. The dog goes to boom and bleach and get an outrageous image now. Shave off him head and grow two little bumper ear right so like bunny rabbit ears. And him's like, I can't see no. Why all of the DJ them start DJ up now them knows? Since Carter start DJ up now them know, everybody start DJing and them knows, I can't see no. The artist have to bleach him skin and look like crooked lizards. You understand what I say? The dog look away. The dog look away. You understand what I say? Him look away. But the artist him bad. It's just so sad that they have a whole heap of talented youths where they in Jamaica where have to do some outrageous thing for boss. They have to do some outrageous thing for boss. Jamaica love the look of 15 minutes of fame people them come and say something nice. The Imara them. But the artist never boss with him true talent before him take on that persona. Yeah. Him boss whenever do the foolishness. It's like a man of a sing ball suck in front. Remember that you there? When me am Jay something, whining on my face, girl, whining on my face. But are you, why you never drop a substantial song where the people them can probably gravitate to? Because nobody don't want to hear that, brother. People don't want to hear fuck her, brother. Right now, if you're not sing about chopping, if you're not sing about gunshot in a boy face, or a girl get fuck out. Right there, you think water down, brother. Nobody don't want to hear that bad, bro. Nobody don't want to hear that. I do that. You understand what I say? Garbage. Yeah, if you come with some outrageous thing right now, we say, alkaline window. Him tell like say him tattoo him yeah but a hot topic him go and get the big black yeah, we call it? Where name? Like eye contact, eye camera, eye contact lens. Damn. Blank out while I got the blood clot. Yeah, man, but we see, you see what I say? Put in braids in his ear, bleach out him skin. Because why? That is what the culture is shaping into. I personally don't believe Jamaica respect talent like that anymore. The days of Jamaica respecting talent, I feel like it stop a cartel. I feel like it stop a cartel when Jamaica I really appreciate talent. Because right now, you know, Massacre should have been a bigger artist than what he is right now, if we are talking about talent. Massacre is an artist of substance, but Massacre is not one of the biggest artists in Jamaica at the moment. Massacre last album when put out, phenomenal work. Where did it go? Nowhere. I just see core fan base and people who actually love and appreciate music really digest the body of work because them respect talent. No, if the majority of Jamaica did respect talent now, I think Massacre would have been on a godly level because the youth that talented. But why? A fucker the order the day in Jamaica. Loan rubbish. People them love rubbish. That's why you ask me again. That's why you have the mackerel them. I have the this and you have the that to come out to look 15 minutes I think and then them gone again. And then when you look now 2 weeks later somebody else. Remember I did Michael Jackson, you know. He-hoo. And then what happened after that now? They have somebody named Ziddy. He's like the guy fuck it up. The youths them with talent a starve and a ball of Jamaica cause why them now put out no fucker content, them now put out no local waste content. Jamaica, we need to do better. The youths them with actual talent a suffer. Casino is a bad artist. The man of a song him say, I'ma do this. Man sound like Bojo. I'ma do this to ya. Man black as coal. But the dog never reached nowhere. So what? The dog bleach now. Start dress outrageous. Put on Superman costume. And for a grown man, I'm looking at the dog face. I can see the dog even comfortable to do them something here. I swear to God. I'm looking at the dog face. I'm see the dog walk around half a tree. I say, the dog even look confident in himself. I do them something here. The dog look like, him knows your ear. Him have to do them fuck to reach somewhere in our life. And it's sad. It's sad. It is sad. How much more youth I go suffer, and then now we see somebody come and say A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P, and then look, everybody at Jamaica start singing it. With the bomb buckle that come to true talent. Are the same thing in the content world. Nobody appreciate real substance anymore. Them want people where chat people business, run up and down, shout. Shouting nobody no. When you're shouting, you demand attention. When you're shouting, people gravitate to you now. Look and see what's going on now. So shouting is very vital. We are create certain videos. But if that's your whole personality, if you chat people business and them something, brother, you're whack. But this is what the people accept. But I just want to tell you some who have real talent. Don't give up, my G. You have people out there who still respect talent. It might be way less than the targeted audience, but if you really love your craft, you gotta continue to do it no matter what. And me personally, I said to Uno, don't give up. Because if Jamaica can see you, somebody else might see you. Remember, you know, Sean Paul, they have a little bus of Jamaica, you know, deport them and them thing there. But when Sean Paul really bust out in a Sean Paul is when time Sean Paul go abroad. Zine, and the man say, get busy. And then the man say, temperature. And then the man say, girl, I'll be your sunshine. You can be mine. Man go pop. So for the people them where feel like say, you have to sing about chopping and scamming and fuck out girl all and them something, they don't have to do it. You understand what I say? Learn how to market yourself outside of Jamaica. Try to create some worldly content, some universal content that the whole world can digest. Because if you depend on Jamaica alone, and I go reach nowhere, and as a sad truth. I mean, I want nobody feel like me I beat Jamaica. Jamaica I come from, I love Jamaica, but if you want to reach somewhere, you have to just venture outside your hometown. You understand what I say? I don't know. I know anything. You understand what I say? You don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Up move!